welcome back to Sofa Stories. This is where we delve into more of the behind the scenes of ChargedEV, where we give you a little more personal side to the brand and just show you a little bit more about ourselves as a company and obviously the people behind it. So today we've got Chase, who's one of our new regional installation managers.
Yep.
Okay. To start off, I'm just going to ask you a bunch of questions, give people a bit of a better idea about yourself and what you'll be doing at ChargedEV.
Yeah.
So, who are you? How long have you been here? And what do you do? Explain about your job role.
So, as you said, my name's Chase. I'll be coming in as the regional manager, installations manager. So basically managing a team of plus minus 10 field installation operatives, making sure their day-to-day is organised, they've got everything, and everything works smoothly, basically. Yeah.
Awesome. With you being new, what would be the most exciting things that you're looking forward to working with ChargedEV?
Particularly ChargedEV is it's a massive company, isn't it? There's so many opportunities, so just getting to know the ins and outs of the business, completely new from where I've come from, different industry, so just really to hit the ground running and see where it takes me.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so it is very fun to work here, so I'm sure you'll fit right in.
Yeah.
Here we go. And next question would be, what's something that you're good at?
I'd like to think I'm good at dealing with people, managing people, making sure that they are happy or have a happy work environment, taking a bit of pressure off of them.
Yeah.
Not too bad at the admin side either, so yeah, that helps.
Awesome. Okay, here we go. These ones are a bit more personal.
Yeah.
If you could switch lives with anybody outside of work, whether it be a celebrity or just anybody outside of work, who would it be and why?
It's probably going to be a sports personality, to be fair. Being South African, loved my sports growing up, loved rugby. So, probably one of the Springbok players, especially in the last 8 years, winning 2 World Cups. Can't go wrong.
Awesome. And the final question is, do you have a dream?
I do, really. Just to be successful, have a family, nice life, not an extravagant life. Just, don't have a particular goal, if I could say that, but just be successful.
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. And if there's anything for your new team that's not necessarily met you yet, is there any fun facts about yourself that you could give them to give you a better idea about, you and maybe your personality a bit?
Fun facts. Probably come from the day-to-day. Maybe I'll throw in a few Afrikaans phrases their way on the job, see if they know what I'm talking about. Probably not. Yeah. But,
What would be your favourite Afrikaans phrase?
Don't know if that's safe to say on the podcast. But I'd probably just share the local delicacies, really. I think you call it jerky, where back home it's biltong, which is dried cured meat, which is far better, I'll say that. So I'll treat my team to a few of that,
Awesome. That's great to hear. Well, I think that's basically through as many of the questions as we can get through.
Okay.
But I just want to say thanks for coming on. Not many people, especially new people, come on and jump straight onto like a podcast and stuff.
No worries. Happy to be here.
No, I appreciate it. Well, thanks for coming on, and we look forward to seeing what you bring to the business.
Cheers.
No worries. Thank you.